In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add column up or down in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open on your screen. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same, no matter what you're looking at. Once you're on your chart, move your attention to the top of the screen, where all the main tools and options are located. You're going to start by clicking on the Indicators button. This is usually found near the upper part of the interface, close to where you choose timeframes and drawing tools. When you click on Indicators, a new window or panel will open. This is the main library of all the indicators and scripts you can use on your chart, including built-in tools and community scripts. Inside this Indicators window, look for the search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator you want instead of scrolling through long lists. Click once inside the search box to activate it. Now, type in the words column up or down. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the results and show you matching indicators below. Take a moment to carefully look at the search results and find the specific column up or down indicator you want to use. Depending on what is available, you might see variations or similarly named scripts, so just make sure you select the one that best matches your needs. When you see it in the list, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. After it appears on your chart, you can usually customize it by hovering over its name in the indicator list on your chart and clicking on the settings icon. Here you can adjust colors, styles, and other inputs so it fits your personal trading layout and is easy to read at a glance. Take a minute to tweak these settings until everything looks clean and clear to you. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and want access to more powerful charting features, faster data, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a great way to upgrade to TradingView Pro while also supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all you need to do to add column up or down in TradingView Pro.